Nature Phenol. Looks like this dog is a really big help around the house.
Move a light up here, please. Thank you.
You should try to guess which dog is the chill dog in the house.
Are you done?
So you want to put your hand right here and lay it out. All right, Mochi. We'll feed you some more in just a minute. 10, 15.
One minute I'm on the road looking at the bushes. Next minute I'm in the bushes looking at the road.
Watch closely as this ostrich gets absolutely trampled by this deer.
Oh my God.
Wow. I hope he didn't break your
He did crack it.
Did he?
Did he?
He shattered it.
Wow.
Oh no.
Dude, you gotta be nicer.
Go.
You did.
Can you watch my bird for me?
I think this guy might actually be a fish whisperer.
Good boy. Good boy.
One more time. See if he comes back again.
Bye, buddy. Bye. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come here. I'm right here. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Come on, buddy. Good boy.
If you like videos like these, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. See you later.